The wig come pre-plucked. The lace look like this. So we have a pre-plucked hairline. On the inside of the wig, you have 3 combs. A comb here, a comb here, and a comb here. Adjustable straps, and the lace underneath. I have already pre-curled the hair. Alright guys, today I am going to use Wonder Lace. This is just a spray-on adhesive, so I'm just going to use this today. So I already got my cap on. So, guys, I am not a lace wig expert, so if I can put it on and make it look like this, then I'm pretty sure you can too. I haven't did my part yet, so I'm just gonna, continue to play in it and, put some curls in it and just go about my day. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.